How do you end alignment bay frustration after you've replaced a suspension component on a vehicle? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Miley, manufacturers of automotive parts for over 23,000 passenger vehicles. Visit miley.com for more information.
If you're working on a lot of late model vehicles, you probably know something about the suspension. You're seeing more and more links instead of just 1 or 2 control arms. In the rear on some vehicles, you can have up to 3 to 4 links to control the movement of the rear wheel. Attaching these links either to the knuckle or the subframe, there are pieces of hardware and bolts that can age over time. Some service information actually indicates that some of the locking nuts with the plastic inserts should only be used once. And on a safety component like a suspension, you should replace these. You could look for this hardware in catalogs or with the OE, but some suspension suppliers are including this hardware, and they're even including cam nuts and eccentrics. So if a vehicle didn't have a camber adjuster before, it does now. Or you're replacing the existing camber adjuster on there, so it's a lot easier to adjust once you get into the alignment bay. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.